How to swap crypto in crypto.com on-chain wallet. Hey guys, today I will show you how to swap crypto in crypto.com's on-chain wallet. There are actually two methods you can use and I'll demonstrate both so you can choose what works best for you. First, let's make sure you have some gas coin in your wallet. This is essential for paying transaction fees. Depending on which blockchain you're using, you'll need different coins, ETH for Ethereum networks, SOL for Solana, etc. Go to receive in your wallet to get your address, then buy some gas coin on a centralized exchange and withdraw it to your wallet. Now for the first method within the on-chain wallet app, tap the swap icon at the bottom, then select swap and bridge. The app will show your current network and balance, in my case ETH on Arbitrum. Click the asset field, select the token you want to swap to. I'll choose USDT, then enter the amount. Before confirming, tap the settings icon to adjust slippage tolerance. 1% is usually fine and gas fee. Standard is sufficient for most swaps. Review the details carefully: exchange rate, minimum received amount, and fees. If everything looks good, confirm the swap. You'll need to authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. The second method is connecting directly to a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or OneInch. Tap browser at the bottom, search for your preferred DEX, and connect your wallet. OneInch is great because it aggregates prices from multiple exchanges for the best rate. After connecting, select your tokens and amount, review the details, and confirm. This method might offer better rates or lower fees than the built in swap feature. Whichever method you choose after the swap completes, you might need to add the new token to your wallet view. Tap Manage Tokens below your balance list, find your new token, and toggle it on. Please like and subscribe.